The owner roster is a list of owners for each company. It displays the number of shares or units of ownership held by each owner. The owner roster can be accessed by pressing the Owner Register button under All Forms on the navigation toolbar, then pressing the Ownership button on the Owner Register form. The form can also be accessed by selecting Owner Register from the Data Files menu at the top of the screen, then pressing the Ownership button on the Owner Register form. The fastest way to access the owner roster is to press the Owner Register bar on the navigation toolbar, then press the Owner Roster button. The number of shares currently held by each owner is displayed for the three types of ownership for the selected company. Just select the name of a different company to see the owners for that company. If the total number of shares or units exceeds the number authorized, you'll get a warning. It indicates that you will need a shareholder or member resolution amending the number of authorized shares or units of ownership. Double-click the owner's name and the certificates form appears with all of the certificates for that owner, whether the owner was the buyer or the seller. All of the features of the certificates form are also available here. Let's return to the owner roster. Notice it contains the number of shares or units outstanding for each type of ownership. The number of voting or non-voting shares or units is also displayed. Enter the number of authorized shares or units for each type of ownership. This is the number authorized in the corporate charter or in the operating agreement of an LLC, and this amount can also be amended by the owners. Enter the total amount of initial capitalization, which is the total dollars raised in the initial offering of stock or units of ownership. Also enter the par value. Par value is pretty much outdated, but it's supposed to be the lowest amount that shares or units of ownership can be sold for. Many states still require it. 1 penny is very typical. This concludes the tutorial for the owner roster.